Hello childrens. Yesterday we have finished the lesson that is the cube and finished the lesson indices and cube root. Okay, so this was the third lesson. After this lesson actually we have to take the fourth lesson, that is the altitude and the how to draw the altitude and median of a triangle. So it is a geometric construction is there. So that lesson we are taking after the next lesson. So today I am going to start the lesson number 5th, that is expansion formulae. Which lesson? Expansion formulae. And this for lesson number 4 we will take after, when I will finish this lesson, no, then I will take the lesson number 4, that is the geometric construction. So first of all, lesson number 5th, expansion formulae. So before starting the lesson, let's recall the some of the expansion formulae that we have studied in previous class, and that class is the class number is in standard 7th you studied this. So a plus b bracket square is equals to, its factorization is, okay, its factorization is a square plus 2ab and plus b square, means first term square, 2 into both terms multiplication and last term square is the expansion formula for this. Okay, a plus b bracket, you have to learn by heart these formulas. Okay, you are, whenever you are taking the math subject for the previous classes, you are taking science, generally science means English medium students giving preference to the English medium. So now you are in the 8th standard, so it is the base for the secondary, and here you are deciding whether you are where, means this is the age to decide what is your career, what is your goal. Okay, so science if you are taking, you have to learn this formula, learn by heart these formulas perfectly. Is whenever you are sleeping, and if I will ask you or anybody ask you what is the factorization of 1a plus b bracket square, so you must tell that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Man, it is the factorization of a plus b bracket square. If someone asks you what is the factorization of a minus b bracket square, so its factorization is the first term square plus last term square and minus 2ab. This was over for you last year. Okay, same it is there. What is the change inside it? These terms are same, a square, b square, 2ab, 2ab. But when here plus is there, 2ab sign is plus, and when the negative sign is here, minus 2ab we have to take as a factorization. Okay, and at last third formula, the formula that you learned in last previous class, that is the a square minus b square, its factorization is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, is the factorization. Now the next term, use the above formula to fill the proper term in the following boxes. So this is very easy. So let's see the first one. What is the factorization of, if you see here, this is a, x means a we have to take, and 2y means b, and use the formula a plus b bracket squares factorization. What is the factorization formula of a plus b bracket square? Its factorization is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So according to formula, first term square means x square is already given to us here, and plus 4y means b square means last term square also here it is there. So in between middle what we have to do? Plus 2ab. So already plus sign is given, only we have to do the multiplication of these both x and 2y, and we have to multiply it with the 2. So what will come here? X into 2y, x into 2y, 2xy, and 2xy we have to multiply with the 2, so 4xy. Okay, another method is that whenever we are solving one step, if I will add it here, its step is that is the for x square, what is the factorization of x plus 2y bracket square. So here factorization formula is the, here I will write x square plus 2 into ab, a is equal to x and b is equals to 2y, and plus last term square, that is the 4y square, 2 square 4 and y square is the 4y, and we have to do the multiplication of this, and that we have to write in this box. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, x into y, xy. So what will come here? 4xy. Understand? Only this much is important. If you want to do, if you are not understand, do this work as a rough work and write here 4xy. Okay, now the next question is the 2x minus 5y bracket square. 2x minus 5y brackets square. So here again, if you see here, a means what? 2x and b means 5y, and here negative sign is there. A minus b bracket square factorization is here a square minus 2ab and b plus b square. So use this factorization and we have to write. So I will show you here how to do the factorization here. 2x minus 5y bracket square equals to what will come? 2x square means a square means 2 square is 4x square minus that minus sign is formula inside only. 2 into minus 2 into 2x into 5y plus 5 square is 25 y square, 25 y square. Okay, so here it's not neatly written by me, 25 y square. Okay, so here if you solve the next step of this 4x square, then 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20xy plus 25y square, and from this 20xy is given at this place, and so what we have to write? 4x square means first term square minus 2ab, and here 25y square will come here. In this way we have to fill the boxes. Okay, note down this. After this example, what we will see? The next example, that is the 101 square. What is 101 means how much? Here that also it was over for you, it is revision. 101 means what? 100 plus 1. 101 means 100 plus 1. According to formula, first we have to take the first term square means 100 square. Okay, 100 square is how much? That is the 10,000. I will zoom it. So here what will come? 10,000 will come. 100 square is 10,000 plus 2ab. 2 into means we have to do 2 into 100 into 1. So 200 ones are 100 2s are 200 ones are 200. So multiplication of this is the 200. So here write 200, and at last you have to write the 1 square. 1 square is 1 only. So if you solve this, you will get it here 10201. 10,200. 1 is the square of 101. So here to find the square, we use the factorization formula of a plus b bracket square to solve the example. Understand? Then so after this example, let us solve the example. Here I think we have to find out the 98 square. Here it is 98. Wait, I will just note it again. 90. So here what we written? That is the 10,000. 10,000 plus 200 plus 1 is equal to 10,201. Okay, is the answer of 101 square. Now we have to find out the 98 square. 98 square means what? 100 minus 2. Yes, 98 means what? 100 minus 2. Similarly, just like above example, first of all write the 100 square. Then here we have to give the negative sign. 2 into both terms multiplication. So 100 into 10 into 1 is 100 into 2 into 1 is equals to how much? 200. Okay, and then 200 and 2 square is 4. Okay, 2 square is 4. Now if you do the subtraction of, we have to do the subtraction of 10,000 minus 200. How much is the 10,000 minus 200? 10,000 minus 200 is equals to 9,800, and 9,800 4 is its answer. So here 9,800, and that subtraction of this both is 9,800, and 9,800 plus 4 is equal to 9,804 is the square of 98. Okay, so it is it easy method to solve the examples by using this find the square by using this method. So in this way we can find the square of any number by using the a plus b and a minus b factorization method. Okay, and by using that we find that 101 square is 10,201 and 98 square is 9,804. Okay, after this example let us move towards the next example. Okay, note down this first of all, then I will show you the next question. The next question is, if you see here the same terms are there, 5m, 5m, 3n, 3n, but difference is here in the sign, plus and minus, plus and minus. So here which formula we have to use? If you see here, a plus b and a minus b means only a square minus b square. So here we have to, a means which term is here? 5m, and b means 3n. So here we will write 5m bracket square minus 3n bracket square. Okay, so the answer is 25m square, 25m square minus 9n square. In this way you can solve the example. Okay, by using the factorization. In previous year we studied or we solved the example based on these formulas, and this is the factorization of a plus b, and a minus b means a square minus b square. So here we studied and we practiced to use this expansion formulas, or we studied it. Now we have to use the expand is the question. Which is the question? Expand x plus a and x plus b using formula of areas of square in a rectangle. So it is very easy. Once figure you understood, no? It is very easy. So first of all we have to take x plus a. If we draw this rectangle, okay, and in this rectangle inside, if in this rectangle inside, what we have to do? We have to take the measures of one side, length we have to take as a x plus a. Okay, so if you see here, you will notice that here it is x plus a, because x is here and a is here, so total length is x plus a. Okay, and breadth we had taken here x plus b, x and b we have to take, so breadth is equal to x plus b. So what we had done, we just separate these columns, separate this rectangle by using two lines. Now if we separate it, we got it here 4 types of quadrilaterals. So first quadrilateral is a square, and remaining 3 are the rectangle. So 2, 3 and 4, these 3 are the rectangle, and first one is the square. So one by one we will find the area of each and every quadrilateral. So first of all, area of this first quadrilateral, okay, its shape is square shape, and area of squares formula is the side square. So if you see here, x side square means x side is the x, so this quadrilateral's area is equal to x square. Now if you move towards the next second one, its length is b and breadth is x. Here this much part is the x. So area of second quadrilateral is xb, length into breadth. So xb, this one is there, sorry, they are not that, x into b, xb, length into breadth, area of rectangles formula use here, and here we use the area of square. Now this rectangle, length is a and breadth is x, length is a and breadth is x. So area of third rectangle is L into b, means if you see here, this side's measure is x, so length into breadth is equal to ax. And at last the fourth quadrilateral, a into b, ab, length is a and b. So here separately these figures they drawn it here, this figure is here, second figure is here, second quadrilateral is here, third quadrilateral is at this place they shown, and fourth quadrilateral they shown at this place. Okay, and each quadrilateral's area they find it, just now I told you area of square means side square means x square, area of this rectangle is equal to L into b is equal to ax, this area of rectangle third one is equal to length into breadth means bx, and for last one length into breadth is equal to ab. So all these areas you have to add, x square, ax, bx and AB. Okay, and then area of this big quadrilateral means which one? This quadrilateral is equal to length square means a plus length into breadth means a plus x and breadth is equal to a plus b. Now what is the factorization of such a type of formulae? That is the, if you see here you will notice that this is the area of this quadrilateral and afterward these four areas we added here, and next step is that what we have to x square remain here as it is. From these two x will come here as a common and what is remain a plus b and ab is the last term. So factorization of a plus x plus a and x plus b is x square plus into bracket a plus b x plus ab, and we can expand this using the multiplication method also. By using figure we use it. First of all, these things will not come in the exam, that you keep in your mind. Only this factorization or expansion formula we have to use while solving the important. So you just how you learn these formulas. Okay, 1 2 3. Similarly, you have to learn the factorization formula for x plus a and x minus b, x plus a and x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x and plus ab. This formula you have to learn. We can derive this formula by using multiplication method also. How I will show you. X plus a and x plus b, x plus a and x plus b. First of all, how we are solving is equal to x into this whole bracket. So x into bracket x plus b and this a into this whole bracket. You know this all, a into bracket x plus b. Solve it. X into x, x square. X into b, xb or bx. A into x, ax. Here we have done the multiplication, and a into b, ab plus ab is equals to x square. Just take out x common from this and what is remain? A plus b or b plus a. Both multiply means 3 plus 2 also 5 and 5 plus 2 also 3 plus 2 also 5 and 2 plus 3 also 5. Means if addition is there, you can write a plus b or b plus a. Both is same, and plus ab. This is the expansion of a plus x, x plus a and x plus b. So that you have to learn. X plus a and x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b x plus a b. Okay, this is the fact. You have to learn by heart. How to apply this, that I am going to teach you in the next lecture. Okay, so this you have to make the perfect. That is important. This calculation will not ask you in the exam, calculate how this formula was derived, but that application of this formula is definitely asked to you in the exam. So I shown you both methods. That is first method by using the by using the figure we use quadrilateral, and second this expansion is same, a plus x and x plus a into bracket x plus b is equal to x square plus into bracket a plus bx and ab. These are same formulas and you have to learn this today. Okay, and then it's a application we will see in our next lecture. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day. So all of you study this. Formulas are very important for this. Okay, so these formulas, if it is perfect, there is no problem in this lesson to you. You will get out of marks. Any question will come from this lesson. So all of you just try to apply this also. You know that application in this Let's Learn inside you studied how to use this a plus b bracket square, a minus b bracket square, a square minus b square. Similarly, try to use this formula, that is x plus a and x plus b's formula for these examples and check your answer. If not, you are not able to solve, no problem. I will tell you how to solve it in tomorrow's lecture. Okay, so we will stop here only. Try, but you just try, but Okay.